Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send crypto from Coinbase to Solflare in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how crucial it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. With the latest updates in 2025, this process has become even smoother, but we'll walk through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. First things first, why do this? Solflare is a fantastic wallet for Solana-based tokens, and transferring from Coinbase lets you take full control of your crypto. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Make sure you're on a secure device and have two-factor authentication enabled, safety first. Once you're in, head to the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to send, like SOL or another compatible token. Step 2. Get your Solflare wallet address. Open the Solflare app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, navigate to the Send or Transfer option for your chosen asset. Paste the Solflare wallet address into the recipient field. You'll need to enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees, which might vary based on 2025's blockchain updates. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Coinbase will show you a summary. Check everything twice. Hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation notification. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Verify on Solflare. Once it's done, open your Solflare wallet and check if the crypto has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and maybe refresh the app. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works perfectly. In 2025, with enhanced security features, this process is safer than ever, but stay vigilant against scams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.